the insurance to the insured, Hope, if there's a remaining balance, the obliger or the party responsible for that is the policyholder, is it not?
I would say that ultimately, yes, they would come after me if Hope didn't pay it. Yes.
Right. Yeah. If Hope decides not to pay it, then they're going to come after you for payment.
That is correct.
So, and this just happened in May, and now we're just barely into August. Okay. Okay. All right. That's helpful. Let me just look at one item here.
Your Honor, when you have a second, I have one more question for you.
I'm ready. Go ahead.
I was just wondering, now that Hope is 18, has graduated high school, and she is working. When is she actually considered an adult, and where does our parenting agreement kind of end when she is considered an adult?
So there's a parenting plan that was issued on September 30th of 2022. And then when a person turns 18, the parenting plan is done, because she's a person of the age of majority at this point. So she's no longer a minor.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Ms. Wanzer, do you have any just brief response?
Not really, Your Honor, just that, I've been on disability now for a few years, and I live on, minimal funds, obviously, because they don't pay very much. So I just feel like, John has taken every advantage that he can of me in the past and still does. So that's just, that's pretty much it.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. So there are two grounds which Ms. Wanzer brought a motion for contempt. The first was the travel expenses to Florida. So any order or any motion for contempt necessarily needs to be based on a court order, and the allegation needs to be that a person violated or did not follow that court order. So as I mentioned earlier, there was no court order that required Mr. Miranda to make any expenditures related to travel for the graduation trip or what have you. So I'll deny that portion of the contempt. The other portion is that the medical expenses for the emergency room visit. It sounds like she wasn't doing well for a period of time. There was encouragement to take a different action. She got the help that she needed, whether it was timely or maybe a little later than hoped for. And then there's about a $1,100 bill that's outstanding. So the child support and health insurance is a little bit different in that health insurance generally parents can keep their children on their coverage up until about age 25 is pretty common across the country. And here we have Mr.